Okay, gotcha. Yep. All right, I'm backing off.
This is maiden. Come on now.
It's hard to see.
This is the first maiden.
Well, I guess that would make it
The remaiden. It's the remaiden.
It's the second maiden.
Man, it's hard to see in this phone.
Yeah, I know. Catch that pop top?
Yep.
May pull one more of those. Is that Johnny? Oh boy. Alright, let me try another pop top.
I don't know if I got that or not.
That's good.
She's a 60 or
50. Be a 50.
No, the motor burned up and I haven't gotten a new one for it yet. I wish I did.
Let's see a hover gator. This is about $5 grand worth of hovering. Alright, let's go. Wait, now.
Y'all kiss and make up.
Hey, come up here and just go up with you. I'll get close to you.
Where you at?
I'm over here.
I'm
That's
sitting in the
Johnny.
field where you at?
Well, I want to go up together and then flat spin down.
Okay. Let me come down and catch up with you. How high are we going to go? Way high? Is it like a blender? If my glue joints are going to hold, that just proved it.
Okay.
I think Johnny's tried on that.
All right, I'm coming in now.
You coming in?
Yeah.
Which way are you coming in?
Same way you just did.
The way that everybody is?
Only I'm going to touch the ground. I say I'm going to touch the ground. Let's do it again.
I didn't see you touch the ground.
I forgot how much this thing floats.
Just kill the throttle, then you go like
That worked last time. Not fair.
On the runway, Johnny.
That sucker does